Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. Today, Monday, 8 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the Aussie, the Euro and the New Zealand, short on the Yen, the CAD and the Swiss. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started. Dollar index, well, now we've got a lower shadow, upper shadow. Market doesn't know where they want to go. I thought we will get some better answers by Friday's close. Well, we got an answer, is that the market has no clue where it wants to go. Dollar fighting for that second spot, that third spot there, the green, it's just fighting there. It's now neutral, and we can see that that our intraday indicator shows us neutral, and you can see between the 2 days here on the daily charts, definitely more of a neutral tone. Well, but the rest still bullish. Short-term indicator bullish, long-term, medium-term indicator bullish. So I have to stay overall bullish on the dollar. I can't really turn bearish on it. Although on the intraday, it's Monday now. We will see by tomorrow morning what Monday produces. It's always more quiet on Monday mornings. So let's see what happens here. But for now, I can't clearly see any levels. There is still this level, and it's still support, and it's still bullish on 3 of my 4 indicators, neutral there and bullish here. So I'll stay bullish on the dollar. Gold flying like crazy. My long-term positions got some nice targets there. And for 4 hours intraday, dollar still on the strengthening side of things, but the slightest of dollar weakness, I will be going long on gold on the 4-hour charts. So got the swing here, structure there, roughly at the 23,000 level, 2300 levels. So if it can retest 2300, I'll be very, very happy. So I would like to see a retest there, and then any candle reversal there, that'll get me to go long. So for now, I just have to hold on tight and see what to do. Bitcoin now pushing for the level, well, the one that I wanted it to happen, because I like the retracements more. It gives me better levels, good support levels and so forth. However, as that trend is changing slightly on the daily charts, I started to favor this one here. I am worried about the trend, which is not looking good. But overall, Bitcoin keeps pushing into the Bitcoin halving in roughly 2 weeks' time. I think it's the 17th of 19th or so of April approximately. And we are approaching that less than 2 weeks. But okay, it's a known fact. It's not going to be the surprise. I think the market is just a little bit nervous. How will the market respond? Because it's the first time in the history that we broke to a new high, new all-time high before the halving. Usually it happens after the halving. So I think the markets may be a little bit nervous. I don't know, really. Forming a nice triangle now here for a potential continuation. You see here. So I am all in all highly bullish, highly bullish on cryptos in general, altcoins and Bitcoin. So, but Bitcoin drives the market at this stage. So I would love to see the break there. That'll get me to take a little bit more on the longer term position. And you know, if I get some intraday confirmations on 4 hours or daily chart confirmations here, I'll be very, very happy. Weekly charts, there's just nothing wrong with the weekly charts. If you look at the weekly charts, it's just long white candles, a little bit all over the place there as it broke the new all-time high. But long lower shadow, white candle, long lower shadow. You know, it's all bullish. There is not a single bearish thing coming in here. The only thing was here when the market was a bit unsure of itself here, but the rest is just bullish. That's it. And we all know things can change any minute, any second. So, you know, but I like this break. If it can break above, let's say 71,000, I think I'll consider adding a little bit there onto my long-term positions. But all in all, bullish flag, bullish triangle, everything is bullish here. Bullish flag on the bigger picture. There's nothing bearish in this. Then Aussie Yen, I got this one for you last week. I said to you Friday morning, if it closes above the halfway mark, that'll be a long setup. And then we got the morning star setup. You had all the opportunities in the world to get in on the halfway marks there. I love the halfway marks. I call it the sweet spots. So halfway mark with the stop loss, you know, 10 to 20 pips below this. If it's a cross, you can go a little bit bigger than the normal 10. On the majors, I like to go 10 pips, but on the crosses, I widen them a little bit. All right. So Aussie yen, we got the long, looks good at this stage, and this level is still good. So if it comes back and you want to add or get into the trade, still good. Aussie, green zone, yen, red zone. So yen is fighting for that weakest spot. Aussie just all the sparkle. It just keeps all the sparkle. So that's why I try my best to be long on the Aussie. Then the Aussie Swiss, also same one I gave this to you on Friday morning. Now if you use a 10 pip stop here, you got stopped. If you used your 20 pip stop, you didn't get stopped. It's just one of those touch and go things. But nice strong level, got a bullish engulfing out of it. There was even a 1 hour entry early Friday morning on a nice bullish engulfing there. Even if I go back to the Aussie yen, there was a 1 hour entry there also in the morning. You see the 1 hour there. That would have given you a nice exit for about 30 pips or so, because remember now, that doesn't go over weekends 1 hour trades. If you took the 1 hour trade here, by the time you got to the evening, you pretty much had a break even. So this one didn't give that much. Aussie yen was really good with that. So lovely stuff, lovely stuff. Then we will move on to the New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen, New Zealand still very strong, also fighting there for that. The Euro, New Zealand are fighting with that second and third spot. Yen still red zone, so I'm 100% fine with that. Missed the level, still good that level. You know, you can get this little irregular double bottom and then a nice candle pattern reversal here. So for now, I'm still interested. I just need a retracement. I just don't want to go at those levels. And the Aussie US, same scenario. Aussie, green zone, US neutral, so I'm after the Aussie. If I can get a retest of this level, also would be an irregular double bottom. Could just be an ABC correction of this big swing. And then a nice bounce there will get me to go long. But for now, I need a retest. That's it. Euro yen sadly missed my entry there. Just didn't get to my level. As I said to you, high risk entry there. High risk entry. If you wanted to do that, well, it's paying off for you. At this stage, I want to be long here, but not at those levels. I'm going to wait for the retracement. Euro green zone, red, yen red zone. 100% comfortable being long here. And then the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, nice big swing, big trend down the page. Now a nice wave one. I would just like to get into it early here, on this early trend here. But I need a retracement to get me back into the trade. So let's hope for the best there. New Zealand, strong, green zone, CAD red zone, comfortable with that long, definitely. And the New Zealand US now. The New Zealand US keeps with the Euro New Zealand fighting with each other. I see the New Zealand third spot, second spot, third spot, second spot. So I'll leave this here. It got the level now confirmed on Friday. So we got the run, the retest. This candle pattern wasn't good enough on Friday because we had different levels there. But now a retest here would definitely get me interested. Early trend. I can see a nice strong trend coming down the page. Now we're starting to see a bottoming out of the market here on the New Zealand. So let's see if we can get some New Zealand strength coming back here on the charts also. So a retest here would get me interested for sure. And the Dow Jones, trend is turning bearish. Now I'll be cautious on bearishness here. It's election year. Gold is flying. The forecast of interest rates that should come down later this year. I'm just overall worried being short on the stock markets this year. So, but I will still take my shorts, but not as aggressive as usually. So for me, it's just I will take the short if I can get a retest here. You can see at a swing. Fibonacci 50 to 61%, right at this trade zone here. So it's really nice. The market structure coming in strongly there. You can see it's a strong, good level there. Got confirmed on Friday. The market just rallied into that level and just plain rejected that level. So that you couldn't take anything on that. That could just be profit taking for a Friday. So let's first see if we test again. Let the bears prove themselves and see if they can outwit the bulls. So for now, waiting for the retest. Dollar, I don't want a weak dollar. It needs to stay strong. So you can watch on my live stream every day where I show the trading robot that I'm running live, Trend Catcher there. I also publish this there, part of it, just to give you a better indication of what to do. If you remember, you got that indicator. But I need the dollar to stay in the top 4 spots for shorts. The moment the dollar swap, for argument's sake, with a pound or going lower, definitely no shorts, definitely no shorts. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the Euro Swiss. But if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. In the Euro Swiss, you can see Euro green zone, Swiss red zone. Swiss is just the black sheep of the market at this stage. Euro fighting with the New Zealand up there for the second spot. So very strong. I'm comfortable being long here. Got a nice wedge pattern. Busy forming structure here for us. So if I can get this pattern, well, it already broke nicely. So I would like just now to see a retest and a counter reversal. I'm not going to chase into this up here. It's a Monday number one, and chasing a breakout, that's generally not a good idea. But if I can get a retracement back here, let's say just the halfway of this long white candle, if it can just come back down there and I can get some counter reversal there, I'll definitely be interested in some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take the trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've personally been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.